Terrified of this place. Dig this out. Section behind me, it's called the Boneyards. Very few surfers have ventured in there and come out alive. Are you trying to tell me that people have died here? That's right, Sal. Moment of silence for them. And we keep because if the Boneyards was not enough, our surfers will be facing off with Tank the Shredder Evans. Tank, 9-time defending champ.
Oh my. No. But I do consider myself somebody that everyone should look up to. A kid should try to pretend they're Tank. They should try. Good luck, kids.
You never want to get in here and, like, help them out and show them how to surf and spend some time with the kids.
No, I don't want to do